Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we're unboxing the SKIMS SWAROVSKI limited edition collaboration cotton rib brief in the color light heather gray. Now, of course, we have the stunning silver SKIMS SWAROVSKI collaboration packaging, which of course is creating some hype on its own. And we have the cotton rib brief inside. Please note that this is not how they should be packaged. There should be some tissue paper and some additional packaging, but I assume that this is a returned purchase. So keep that in mind when you're finding these on the market. I did put some links to StockX and eBay for some new items, and they are certified on StockX, so that's probably your best bet. Now, this item is so striking in person. I did mention that with the white cotton rib materials as well, but the Swarovski logo and the SKIMS logo stand out so beautifully with this item. They are also very, very comfortable. It feels like they were engineered for the woman's body in mind. So overall, really recommend this item. We did not try it on camera for obvious reasons, but here you have the two colorways. Be sure to check them out and subscribe for more.